Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Love Arts and Sketches. So in today's video we are continuing our nature element series part 4, the wind element. This is a super cute and easy wind character, drawing perfect for beginners as well as sketch lovers. So grab your pencil and let's start creating. Let's start being with a simple sketch. Firstly, I am drawing the eyes, two cute round eyes spaced apart. Next, I am adding a small smile between them to give the wind character a happy expressions. Now I will sketch the wind body using soft curly cloud-like shape to show movement. Keep your lines light so we can outline them later. Draw some curved lines surrounding the body. Once the sketch is ready, I am outlining everything using a dark grey pencil. I am tracing overall the swirly wind shape to make the artwork bold and clean. Take your time so your outline looks smooth. Outlining is done. Now let's start coloring. First I am filling the eyes with black, leaving a small white highlight to make them look shiny and cute. Then coloring the smile a little for clarity. Next, I am coloring the entire wind body using a light grey shade. Color lightly and evenly so the textures look soft. After culling, it's time for the finishing touch, blending. I am using a blending stump to smooth out the pencil shading and to give the wind element that cloudy air effect. For blending, you can use also cotton and finger as well. And just like that, our adorable wind drawing is complete. I hope you enjoy the nature elements part 4 wind drawing tutorials. Please like, share and comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy drawing tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video.